Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Car Ghost channel. Today's a good day. Matter of fact, today's a great day. And since most of us car guys double up as techies on the off time from Car Madness, today's video will be a product review of what might be the best lens from Micro Four Thirds systems for car photography. And I got this because I wanted to take better Instagram pictures. And this is the Panasonic Lumix 25mm 1.7 lens for the Micro Four Thirds systems. Now I got this because, well, it's 25mm, and that's the equivalent of a full frame sensor nifty 50 or a 50mm, which gives you no distortion. Also gives you a very nice shallow depth of field, nice bokeh, so you can separate the car from the background if that's what you want. And there's a train coming. Well, let's open this thing up and see what's inside. Curious fact, there is no, you know how usually there are little tape to where you open the box. This came from Amazon without that little tape, so curious. Yeah. So take it out and see what we have in the box. All right, a lens hood, plastic. Most of these will be plastic, and I'm gonna tell you why. This lens doubles up as the best budget lens ever as well. It's currently on Amazon for $149, and that for a lens that has 1.7 aperture. It's actually a steal, and that's one of the reasons I got it. So the design, it's a nice small lens cap, and if you guys are wondering if you ever get the lens why this thing doesn't, the lens hood cap doesn't fit, it's because there is a little adapter right here, so you don't see the thread when you don't have the lens cap on. That's smart. Panasonic prompts for that. So okay, this is how it looks with the lens cap on. For the time being, we're gonna take it off because today is not sunny and there won't be any flares. Matter of fact, it started raining. Perfect day for me to come to the park. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna install this on my Panasonic G85 that you're looking through right now, and I'm gonna go take a few pictures and a few videos here in the park since I'm already am, and then I'll come back and we'll talk about it. Again, main selling points: 1.7 aperture, 25mm focal length, which is equivalent to 50mm on a full frame sensor, and banging $149 price tag. Oh. So one thing I didn't think about is how I'm gonna film me putting the lens on the camera, since I'm already filming on it. But I haven't used this in a while, my GoPro. All right, let me shut it off. God, I haven't filmed this in a while. Can't see anything either because it doesn't have a screen, my GoPro. But there it is. Here is the new lens. Here is my vlogging lens, which is 12 to 60mm Panasonic Micro Four Thirds. It's a kit lens that came with the camera, and it's actually really good. We'll take this one off. Easy snap on. The profile of this lens is a bit smaller than the other my zoom lens, simply because it's a fixed focal length, it's a prime lens, and it looks quite good. To tell you the truth, this is not gonna be a vlogging lens, since I'll show you how I look if I hold the camera the furthest I can. And yeah, it focuses quite fast, but I don't believe you want to see my nose hair in vlogs. So this is going to be strictly for pictures and B-roll. Without further ado, we're gonna go take this bad boy for a few photos outside. One downside, lens is not weather sealed, but I don't know any other lens that is $150 and weather sealed, so that's not a big deal. I'm gonna go film a little bit of B-roll and some pictures, and I'm gonna get back to you so we can discuss the results. Alright, overall I'm super excited and I'm super happy. The lens performs great. Two downsides is it's not weather sealed, so I can't take it out in the rain, and second one, there is no image stabilization, but none of the competitors at this price range have. But luckily for me, my camera has an in-body image stabilization, so it's perfectly fine. Camera focuses super fast, like shift focus 10 points. Lens, I mean, whatever. Few things: nicely separates the subject of the picture from the background or the foreground for that matter. Here, this picture from the front of the car looks nice and crisp, while the people in the back are not really visible because they're blurred by the bokeh. On this picture from top, you can see that I put some leaves on the right in front of the camera, and then I focused on the back side of slate, and the leaves are very blurry, so they're out of focus. That's also a nice thing. I shot aperture forward, so I put it straight wide open at 1.7, and the results are pretty nice. Also, this picture from the tail light, you can see how the tail light's in focus and everything in the background is blurred. Alright. The mural, the colors of the mural are nice and bright. Everything looks perfect for me. So I can't really wait for me to film a few cars now. Which brings me to the point: if you guys have a cool, interesting car in the tri-state area, New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, hit me up. I'll take some pictures for you. We can review the car for the channel. My email is carghost@carghostny.com. Why not sending me an email if you have something cool that I can film, and then we can arrange it schedule wise. But yeah, super excited about this lens. Highly recommend it. For $150, this is the best thing you can get for your Micro Four Thirds camera. Link for this will be in the description, just in case you decide to get it from Amazon. And yeah, just like that, if you like this video review of the Panasonic 25mm fixed focal length 1.7 aperture lens, hit the thumbs up, smash them if that's what you like. I know you want it. If you like these little reviews, how-to videos, and lifestyle vlogs that I do on my channel, consider hitting the subscribe button, and why not the bell button as well. Yeah, notifications are interesting, and notifications are cool these days. Until the next video, you have a great day. Bye.